a combination of stunning visual effects and moving performances that create an experience that not only feels like a cinematic masterpiece, but also a profound reflection on our own existence. This is Interstellar. In the year 2067, humanity finds itself on the brink of extinction due to a global famine caused by widespread environmental destruction. Joseph Cooper, a former NASA pilot, is compelled to work as a farmer alongside his son, Tom, daughter, Muff, and father-in-law, Donald. Following some strange events in Muff's room, she comes to the conclusion that a ghost trapped in her bookshelf is trying to convey the word "stay" to her. Cooper seeks a scientific explanation for an unusual gravitational phenomenon, and deduces a pattern that ultimately reveals GPS coordinates. Pursuing these coordinates, he and Muff arrive at a secretive NASA facility led by Professor Brand. Initially skeptical of Cooper, NASA eventually enlists his help for their mission, believing he was guided there by the same otherworldly entity responsible for a mysterious wormhole near Saturn, which had been placed there decades ago. NASA's goal is to explore the other side of the wormhole and locate a habitable exoplanet for humanity. Their primary plan involves transporting people from Earth to this new world, contingent on solving a complex gravity equation. As a backup, Plan B involves using embryos to establish a new extraterrestrial colony while Earth's original inhabitants perish. In the belief that Plan A will save his daughter Muff's generation, Cooper bids farewell to his family and embarks on a mission aboard the spacecraft Endurance. He is joined by a crew of 3 scientists, Rummelly, Doyle, and Brand's daughter Amelia, as well as 2 robotic assistants, Tars and Case. Upon reaching their destination, the crew investigates 3 planets orbiting a supermassive black hole, Gargantua, all of which were previously scouted by NASA scientists. Rummelly remains in orbit to study Gargantua while the others explore the first planet, discovering it to be an ocean world assigned to explorer Laura Miller. Tragically, Miller had been killed by immense tidal waves generated by Gargantua's gravity. Doyle is swept away by a massive wave, and Cooper and Amelia narrowly escape another. Surprisingly, they return to the Endurance after just a couple of hours, while 23 years have passed on the ship due to time dilation caused by the black hole's gravity. Back on Earth, Muff has become a scientist and is working with the Elder Brand. The second planet's mission also fails as they realize that Man, the planet's explorer, had been sending false signals about the planet's habitability in hopes of being rescued. Man turns on the crew, attempting to kill Cooper and then hijacking a Ranger to take control of the Endurance. Rummelly is killed by an explosion Man planted at the base, and Man himself dies after failing to dock properly in space. Cooper and Amelia manage to regain control of the damaged Endurance. On Earth, a dying Brand confesses to Muff that he knowingly lied about the feasibility of Plan A, as the gravity equation lacked critical information that could only be obtained from within a black hole's singularity. Muff is devastated that her father abandoned her to her fate, but resolves to find a solution to complete Brand's work. Meanwhile, Cooper devises a plan to use a slingshot maneuver around Gargantua, propelling the Endurance to the third and final planet assigned to Dr. Wolf Edmonds. To reduce weight, he sacrifices himself and Tars by detaching from the spacecraft and entering the black hole, allowing Amelia to reach Edmonds' planet safely. Inside the black hole, Cooper finds himself in a 5-dimensional tesseract where time is presented physically. He attempts to communicate with Murph by manipulating items in her childhood bedroom with gravity, realizing that this construct has been created by future humans who can interact with 5 dimensions he referred to as them, to enable him to send messages from the past, including the word stay. Cooper, with Tar's assistance, conveys the necessary information to Murph in the form of Morse code on her watch. The Tesseract closes, and he and Tars are returned to the orbit of Saturn. Cooper is rescued and brought to an O'Neill cylinder, where he tearfully reunites with an elderly Murph, who has successfully used the gravity equation to achieve Plan A and facilitate humanity's departure from Earth. On the brink of death, she advises him to seek out Amelia. Cooper and Tars set out on a journey to reunite with Amelia on Edmund's planet, where she buries Dr. Edmunds and removes her helmet to breathe freely. The authenticity of the science in Interstellar is a marvel to behold, offering viewers a unique opportunity to delve into the intricacies of our universe. It goes beyond the conventional boundaries of science fiction, and immerses us in a narrative that feels remarkably grounded in scientific reality. The attention to detail in portraying astrophysical concepts and phenomena is commendable, making the film a visual and intellectual feast. At times, watching Interstellar feels like embarking on a cosmic journey guided by the world's most brilliant astrophysicists. The meticulousness with which the film explores the principles of relativity, the effects of gravity on time, and the mechanics of black holes is nothing short of astonishing. As a result, the audience is not merely entertained but also educated, gaining a profound appreciation for the wonders and complexities of the cosmos. Moreover, Interstellar's dedication to scientific accuracy doesn't compromise its storytelling. The characters, their emotional journeys, and the overarching narrative remain at the heart of the film. This blend of scientific rigor with human drama makes it a remarkable fusion of science and art. In essence, Interstellar achieves a rare balance between educating and entertaining. It transcends the boundaries of a typical science fiction film, leaving the audience with a sense of awe and a deeper understanding of the mysteries that surround us in the vast expanse of the universe. It's not just a cinematic wonder, it's a tribute to the beauty of science and the enduring spirit of human exploration. The film explores the profound theme of humanity's position in the vast cosmos, and its obligation to safeguard the continuation of our species. While the characters embark on their cosmic journey, they are compelled to confront the immense and indifferent nature of the universe, leading to the realization that humanity might be minuscule in the grand cosmic order. Nevertheless, Interstellar contends that it is precisely this perceived insignificance that amplifies the preciousness of human survival, making it a cause worth fighting for. One of the remarkable aspects contributing to the excellence of Interstellar's score is its exceptional emotional impact. The movie tackles weighty subjects such as love, sacrifice, and the destiny of humanity, and the score adept encapsulates the emotional depth of these themes. Hans Zimmer's music skillfully conveys the characters' emotions, from their yearning and despair as they navigate the cosmos to the hope and determination that drive them forward against all odds. Take, for instance, the central theme, Flying Drone, which embodies a haunting and melancholic melody that masterfully conveys the characters' feelings of isolation and loneliness in the vast reaches of space. Similarly, the composition, No Time for Caution, is a potent and intense piece that perfectly encapsulates the urgency and peril as the characters race against the clock to rescue humanity. Another remarkable feature of Interstellar's score lies in its innovative use of unconventional musical instruments. Hans Zimmer is renowned for his experimental approach to composition, and he employs a wide array of atypical instruments throughout the film's score. For instance, the track "Mountains" incorporates a pipe organ, imparting a sense of grandeur and magnificence to the scene. Similarly, "Stay" features a theremin, an electronic instrument that creates an eerie and otherworldly ambience. This utilization of unconventional instruments imparts a distinctive and extraordinary quality to the score, setting it apart from other film soundtracks. We just wanted to give you a big virtual high five for hanging out with us and enjoying our channel. Your support, likes, and comments keep us going, and we're super stoked to have you as part of our crew. We seriously appreciate your support and want you along for the ride. So, if you haven't already, give that subscribe button a tap and ring the notification bell. Thank you for watching.